Here is how we can pinch to crop the wallpaper on iPhone. So you can go to the settings and open up the wallpaper section. And if I just go and create a new one by tapping the plus button, and I, for example, go to the photos, right? So if I choose a picture like this one, for example, before I hit a done and add, right, like created the wallpaper, I can pinch in on the screen and play around with the wallpaper and the subject. So as you can see, there's this like 3D effect covering the time, but I can move it up like this, and you can see that it covers the time a little bit less, right? So it is kind of like interactive in the sense, but you can move it around, right? Pinch and move like that, and this is what's gonna allow you to get the perfect shot in the frame, right? So essentially it is useful if you want to have your wallpaper zoomed in like this, or you want to make sure the whole picture fits into the wallpaper and so on. So that's what you're going to do. Just keep in mind that there are also apps like the Wallpaper Resize app, which I have recommended a few times on this channel. This is what it looks like. It's called Wallpaper Size, and in there you can essentially just choose an image and kind of like zoom it out in a sense, right? So if you want to zoom it in, it's no problem to do it natively in the iPhone, but if you want to zoom it out like that and leave some black areas around, you can only use it with this type of application. And so that's what I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later in future uploads.